So let me share my screen. So we'll start today the class number 2. So we'll start with the class 2. Um, the class 2 will be like list, form, filter, and if we'll have time, we'll go for the user administration. So
Yeah.
these are the two things I will cover in the upcoming session. So first we'll go for list and filter. Before that, let me tell you like this is my developer instance. I think we have discussed that one.
Yeah.
And I'll go to here and manage my instance. And once manage my instance, I'll open my instance. I have already opened it here.
Yeah.
So we'll start doing some of the development work today. And first thing we'll understand, actually this ServiceNow platform is a like kind of data-driven platform, you can say.
Yeah.
So anything we are creating on the database or form, anything, everything is a form and everything is a kind of application based. So we have like incident, let's say incident. So if we open the incident, these are the records. These are the records. The incident. In the incident, this is the incident table, incident dot list, that is the table. In that table, we have these are the records. And if you open one record, this is one record. So this is one record in that particular table.
Yeah.
And this table we used to call this is a form. So if we are creating any form in backend, it will create any changes to this form. If you are creating a field or you are adjusting something, it will create a field in the backend. So in this is called form view and this is called list view. This is what lot of time you will be interacting with this. So this is called list view. All the list of tickets are there, and this is once will come it in it is a form view. That is what it is.
Okay.
So if you'll see in the document, list display the information of table, organized stored columns, and form is used to display on the a particular record. So the form is a particular record and the list view is a list of records.
Okay.
So that is what the list is. This document anyhow I'll share with you, but I'll share with you. So now you understand, right? What is the list? What is the form?
Uh,
So
Sorry,
yeah.
but one I just got confused. While you open an incident, I've opened mine as well. There was only one incident on my screen, but that's fine. But in that incident, you could actually change the incident number as well. Like, how is that possible? You shouldn't be able to change the incident number for that.
No, incident number you cannot change it because these numbers are auto-generated field.
Yeah, but
Okay.
if you go into the incident, if you open the incident, and I think I don't know why I'm able to change it.
And yeah, you can change it like say this is a like development instance. So this is
Okay,
nothing has been applied yet.
okay, okay,
So
okay.
if we'll go to production instance or anywhere, this field will be always disabled. We can set that. There are some rules is there. We can set that incident number has to be disabled because this will be a like kind of primary key,
Yeah,
auto-generated key. So
yeah,
while it will be doing other field, maybe it will be able to edit, but
yeah.
this will be done. But if as a system administrator, you can edit everything and anything in the ServiceNow. So
Okay,
that kind of flexibility we have it.
okay,
And if you'll see, this is a form layout, and
okay,
that is the list layout. So anything you go, so we have tables, right? I will show you. There is modules tables. So there are table, we can see system definition tables and columns. So if we'll click here, it will open it here in the next. So these are the system tables available in the ServiceNow. So ServiceNow, as I told you, it is a data-driven platform. Everything is a table and form and workflow. That three things. Everything you see in the ServiceNow, three things majorly. Like it will be table will be there, and there are a couple of fields will be there, and a form, and then integration layer workflow will be there. That's how majorly as a developer we have to understand. And to make this form visible, hide or integration and all, we'll write the scripts.
Okay.
So here you will see this is the table. Table, I will search that incident table. So there are some of the regular expression you can use while searching. Suppose you don't know the exactly table name, you can give the star, and in like that you can search inc. So anything name or incident it will come. So incident, a regular explanation today also I will tell you. So that is also part of this
So
today's
when
session.
you put star incident, that does that mean that only starting the table starting with the name incident will only show up, or let's say table incident, table underscore incident, would that show up as well?
Yeah, it will show because it is this means content like operator we have, right?
Yeah.
So anything anywhere incident keyword will match, it will find out. It is not like starting. That
Okay.
example I will give you. I have a document today. So here in the regular expression, I have a session today. So I will show you. Okay, since you have asked this, I will cover it here. There are many places we can do the search. We can do the list search, global text search, knowledge base search, navigation search, live feed search, screen search we can do. In order to search everywhere, there are many places in ServiceNow we can search. Like here I can search, in the service portal I can search, in this is one of the places I can search. So there are many places we can search. To search that, we have to use, these are the wildcard character we have to use. If you are using start and any character, it means contains. And if you are giving the keywords and with percentage symbol, then it will say start with this text. And then if you are giving percentage, this one, it will be there end with this text.
Okay.
And this is the not contains, not star. Then
Okay.
if you want to have exactly match, you have to give equal symbol,
Yeah.
and not equal to like that. So these are the commonly come up some of the used regular expression used while you are doing the in the platform.
What if I don't put any symbol before or after or just anything? If
So
there's
if you
nothing
don't
that
put
is the
anything, it
default.
will, yeah, if you don't put anything, it will do a exact match. Okay, it
Yeah.
will do a exact match and it will not able to find that.
Okay.
So let me tell you the name. Let me remove it, everything. I will show you. So if I will tell you name INC, so it will say exactly start with INC. So the it will do it start with the default filter, whatever it will be there, it will take it. So
Okay.
these are other filters are there. First filter start with it will take if you are not putting anything.
Okay.
You if you don't want to remember these all the things or don't remember, then you can also select this drop down.
Okay.
Name starts with, ends with, contains, does not contain, is all this.
Okay. It's all available in the
It is
filter.
available. It is available. But as a developer, once you will become a pro developer, you will become like you just do it like like whenever you are a system admin and all, right? You use all shortcut of keywords. No, sorry, keyboard shortcuts. Similarly, in ServiceNow, we will do like if
Okay.
I wanted to let's say other shortcuts, like if you want to open a table, I know the table name. Then
Yeah.
I'll go incident dot list, list. I can give. It will open the table name in the other screen. So I need not to go to the table and search it and open that table. I can directly just go to and open this table. And similarly, incident. dot list, small list. If I'll give small letter, it will open in the same page.
Okay.
If I'll give in a capital letter, it will open in the next page.
Okay.
So that's the sum of the things. So we are now here in the form today. We are in the form we are showing, right?
Yeah.
Form and the list. So form, anything like incident form, like we are talking about incident. So this is a table. In the table, once I'll open this table, okay. If you'll see, this table is there and there are a lot of columns are there. These are the columns. And these columns in the form we have can restrict. Let's say in the incident form, if you will see here, in the incident form, we have only showing mainly 10-15 fields. So we
Yeah.
can add, remove all those forms. Okay, we can hide, add, remove.
So
So
basically, forms are columns.
sorry.
So does that mean that forms are column, like forms are basically column heads?
Yeah, I kind of column we are bringing the columns into form. Let's say I'll give an example. Let's say in any programming language, what I will do it. I will design a form. Okay. Let's say I will design a form here. I can design one name, incident name or name, number and all. So then what I'll do, I will develop a table. Like this is my table. Let's say this is my table. So this table will be there. And in I'll write some backend logic here. This will be the middle layer logic. Sorry, this will be the middle layer logic. Why it is not selecting? Okay, fine. Um, this will be the middle layer logic where I will be their logic. If somebody is submitting the form, it will go and store in the form. So that's how the data flow will become. Anything will come from here and it will go to the table, it will store. So now in any programming language, this will become a form, a interface where user will able to see that they can
Yeah.
enter the, let's say they can enter the name and enter the number, anything.
Yeah.
Then name and other thing. Then backend business logic will be there. Business logic will be there. Here it will take those all information, put into a table. Okay. In the table, we will have many fields. Okay. Maybe we have given only access to user only two fields, but
Yeah.
this table maybe contain many fields. And
Yeah.
later part, if you wanted to add some more field, we can able to add also some more extra fields. And we
Mhm.
can restrict here. Maybe say some of the user need 10 fields, some of the user require 5 fields. So based on the preference, we'll give that. But in the table, it will be there for all the fields. Now I think you are clear, right? This
Yeah.
is
Yeah. Yeah.
form.
Yeah.
You got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we are going to do now, as you understand, like this is a form, this is a list view. Now we'll go for the understand the anyhow we'll go today add form list and other thing we'll do. But now we'll go for the understand one key concept called sysid. Okay.
Yeah.
Sysid, why they have designed the sysid? It is a unique ID for every record in the system. So CSIS is a concept in ServiceNow to uniquely identify any record backend, they will create a ID. So that is, let's say in incident table, in the incident form, this is unique for the business, not for
Yeah.
ServiceNow. So
Okay.
incident number is unique for us. For as a incident number we can generate. But for this record to identify, they have created a sysid. You can go and find the every record will have a sysid. Copy the sysid you can do. So if I'll copy the sysid and put it here, example, it will be look like this. So that is one of the important thing to identify the record uniquely, and it will be also help to link one record to another record, API reference and everything. So for that, they have designed like that. And if you'll see the CCID, once you open a record, any record you open, the CCID will be here. So
Okay.
this record is uniquely identified.
Yeah, but like, what information does SysID have other than the incident number?
No, the SysID is not incident number. SysID is a unique record. Okay. So not for incident. If you'll see for this table also have a SysID. Let's say, let's say I have in India we have people like in India or US, we have people. For every people to look and feel will be almost similarly. Like North people, East people, they will look like similar. Like South people, they will almost look similar. Then how will I identify that them? Whether these are this guy. So for that, government has introduced Aadhaar card, one unique number they have associated to everyone. Even nowadays, they are associate unique number to cows, goat, trees, and other things also. So similarly in ServiceNow, anything, not only incident, any record, if you open incident, if I open the change, any record in the system will be there. If I'll open the change, any record will be there. If I'll open the any record, it will be associated with a unique Unicode number. See, every record will have a SysID. So
Oh,
that
okay. So SysID for one incident is same as the same SysID for change incident as well.
it looks like same, but it is not same. So it will be like incident let's say this is a table, like big table. I have different records here. Okay. So each record I have given a unique number that is called SysID. And the SysID is a unique character of 32 digit character, unique character. This will not related to anything incident number, change number. So let's say I can copy this SysID, and if I know the SysID, I can open that particular record. I can go here, and put that SysID here, and I can open the record.
Yeah.
Similarly, yeah. So you have some doubt, right? Let me clarify that doubt.
No, Bhagwan. Like, I was just confused. Like, if the SysID is just opening up the incident form,
Not
in that.
incident form. So I can show you, let's say any record, not only incident. So record you understood, right?
Yeah.
Record, any
Yeah.
table, in table, any record, even incident number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, it will be have one SysID for every record. If I have a table called change management, in the change number 1, 2, 3, everything will be unique record. In the ServiceNow system, if you'll see in the ServiceNow system, each and every module have different table, different record, but everything will be associated with one SysID, so
Okay.
that it can be uniquely identify any point of time if you wanted to refer it.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, fine. Anyhow, we'll see that while you are working in the system, then maybe you can able to uniquely identify. Um, that is, let's say I will move into the next thing. Okay. Now few of the things we wanted to do, so that we will edit all those things. Let's say these are the, now we understand the list view. Let's say let's say we have the tickets, incidents. I'll open the incident. Now in this list view, there are a lot of things I can do. I can edit from here. I can edit one record. Let's say I wanted to edit this record. I can edit this record. There are date field it is not able to edit. Let me add the description. Yeah. So I wanted to edit edit the records. Inline, this is called inline record. In the list view, I can do that. In the list view, if you wanted to change the status of these 3 tickets, let's say if you wanted to change the status of this ticket, you can open this and progress it. In progress, you can do. And if you wanted to change these 3 tickets at a time, you can do that. It will able to reflect on these 3 tickets. So you have to just shift select these 3.
Oh,
Shift shift key and select. So these are few of the things inline edit we called it. It will help you while you are working in larger project where they need a lot of data update. At a time you can, instead of uploading the Excel sheet here, just you tick you select, okay, this 5 record I can select at a time, I can make them in progress. So
okay.
it will help you inline edit. So this is called inline edit. And similarly, I can open the form and I can edit. So in the form, I can open it. I can change the channel as chat. I can state the status. Now you focus on the design, form design and other things. So business wise, we are not going here. As a developer, the requirement, what requirement will come? Example, so
Mhm.
somebody will give you, Gopal, I wanted to change this 10 ticket status field, new to hold or new to in progress, and all those things will come.
Yeah.
So you have to change it. Or you see the group assignment is wrongly assigned. You can go search some of the group, and the group member, you can, maybe this group does not have member. So I can assign and you can save. There if you will right click on the top, you will see some of the options like save option is there. You can save it. If you'll save it, it will stay in the same page. If you'll update it, it will return to the main page, like where
Okay.
we open the table record.
Yeah.
So these are called inline edit. So you can edit these fields, and so form also you can edit. So similarly, you can also edit the form. There are other controls are there. We'll cover the controls, list control and column control. So list control, there are many controls are there. List control like filters, group by, and other things are there. So first thing we will cover that. These are the list controls. So what it will help you if you are doing some data analysis. Let's say you are doing some data analysis. You can quickly bring all those fields, filters, group by, and sorting, ascending, descending, all those things you can do. Let me tell you. You wanted to this you created by, right? You wanted to see recently created one. So
Yeah.
you can sort it like this. Just click on that. You will sort it.
Yeah.
A day ago it created. So you can do the ascending descending sorting. If you wanted to see, let me see how many tickets are created by state wise. Okay, you want to group by a state wise or priority wise, you can here group by priority you can do. So here it will say, okay, there are critical ticket 18, high for all those things you can see. Again, you can ungroup it. I can ungroup it. So these are the list of things available. You can sort it, you can add into visual dashboard. Visual dashboard is a like storyboard. We can add it. So that we will see later. Group by bar chart, pie chart also we create here. Let me show you this pie chart, bar chart, and you can export the data, like you can export into Excel sheet. Then if you wanted to import, export, all those things are available. Let me show you one bar chart. If you wanted to, there is a reporting module also available. From there you can create it. But from here also, if you wanted to create a bar chart, pie chart, you can create it. See?
Okay.
So from here I can create it, and it is taking some time. Okay. Yeah. So if you'll see here, critical ticket, all this came, and it is also given a name to the report. You can change this name and you can save it. You can save it. And other details also, if you wanted to change from here, you can change it. So that's where the list control come into picture. If you these are the all the list controls we have. So these are the list control are available. You can do that, all those things you can do. So and again these are the list control. One more is column control. So if you right click anything on the any particular record, so those are column controls called. So these are the list control: new, filters, group by, show matching, export. Few of the thing I have listed, but you can do that also. Column control also do. So list control will apply to entire the list, and column, if you wanted to just filter this record, I wanted to see this record, you can have, these are the column controls are there. So matching, you can only see these records, or if you wanted to see the critical record alone, you can show matching critical record. Only critical records will come. And if you wanted to see, let's say, other things also, filter out. If you don't want to see a critical, apart from critical, you wanted to see all those things. Critical is not there and other is there. So like that, you can do all those things. And any other few other thing, if you wanted to copy the sysid, copy the URL and assign this ticket to you. If you wanted to add to visual dashboard, these are the things you can do. But these two mainly used maximum time.
Yeah.
Maximum time, the show matching filter as a developer or an analyst, you will be using these two filter. And sometimes people used to tag it. Tagging means if you wanted to tag some of the incident into one category. Let's
Okay.
say let's say these incidents are coming for Windows error, or these are unable to access the team, performance issue, performance problem. Let's say these are something related to Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
If you wanted to, you can assign that, create a tag, or you can create a new tag also. So that later part you can just refer to that tag, and under that tag all the reports will come. So that's where the tag used, and tag can be assigned to different person. And yesterday also we have seen that this filter, right? Filter and or condition and
Yeah.
everything you can do it. And you can save these filters also. If you want, you can save this filter, give a name. If you want to save for you or team or group, you can do that, so that everything will be used. Means later part you need not to create this filter again and again, you can use it. So that is also option is there.
Yeah.
So any doubt, any question from here?
Now, yeah, it's
No,
clear.
clear, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now we'll go for the record control. From the record control, we'll be opening any records. So from here we have the controls also. So from here there are different controls are available, and basically this will be for this apply to this form level, not list level. And let's say you wanted to copy this incident, you wanted to create a task, you wanted to create a problem, you wanted to create a child incident, all those things you can create it from here. And you wanted to export this into PDF, you can create a view, or you can configure this. Configure little bit later. Today we will see all this configure option, because today we'll see how to add additional fields, how to add the remove fields, how to add new fields, how to, or this form builder, form design, form layout, list layout. These three things we will be covering today.
Okay.
So this related list, we will see how we'll add additional field into the form, how we'll see in the table, how we'll design all those things we can do today. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the called list control. Another thing is, that is here. Let's say if you wanted to add some of the fields from here, you can select from this side to this side so that it will come. So you will see these are all the list of table fields are available. Only minimal thing will come here. And if you wanted to add some more here, you can just select and move it. It will come here. Then save it. Okay. Okay. So this is called Yeah, personalized list. Personalized list means personalized. It will not reflect for other users. It will only impact for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Then record control we will see. Then configure list layout. We saw it right now. We will configure the list layout. So we'll click on the configure in the header list layout, add a new column, remove unnecessary field, change order. So this is what we saw it, right? So we removed it and added unnecessary. But let's say sometimes you will see why these unnecessary fields are there. We can remove it. See, first thing, we need to spend some more time to be a hands-on on this, like to at least once you will become hands-on on this, like creating how I am able to create it, like incident, change, problem, and all. Then in later class it will be easy for you to like to create script or do kind of other whatever the other assessment will be there. It
Yeah.
will be easy for you.
Okay. No, definitely.
Um,
I'll spend some time. Yesterday, just yeah,
yeah, yeah.
unfortunately, we couldn't.
So let's say configure form layout. Now list layout we saw, list layout theme was not there. See form layout we will see. Let's say I wanted to, the short description field is there, description field is there, and these fields are there. I wanted to add some more field into that. Okay, you
Yeah.
wanted to add some more field into the configuration. So can go here, I'll configure the form layout. So in the form layout configuration, there are two parts to it. Okay, before that, I will not now. So I'll go back and I'll tell you here. In configure form layout, form design, these are the two things. If you are just configuring form layout, you are bringing the existing field to the form. You are not creating a new field. If you will go to the form design, there you will find the option you can create a new field altogether to the particular form. Okay. So we have a classes where we'll create a new application table and everything. I'll show that to you. But for now, I'll see how I'll bring the existing fields to this form. If you'll see, these are the splits. Let me open this in a new tab so that it will be helpful you. So if you'll see, these are the splits is there. So this is one area. This is one area. This is one area, and this is one area. So that is where the splits is there. Number, color, configuration, and transfer region. If you'll see here, number region, transfer region, it will be there. Then you will see another split is there. So these are split, start, split, end will be means it is section kind of things. Now let's say I wanted to bring one more field at the end here. Let me see. I wanted to see the created by, created and created by two field I wanted to see, and I will save it. I bring from here and here I'll save it. So if you'll see created by field came here. If you wanted to, I don't wanted to see at the end, I wanted to see somewhere here. So again, I will go here and configure the form layout. I will select those two and take up. Okay.
Oh, okay. So you can yeah, got it.
Yes, I can take the up to them. So if you'll see the two field came here. So if you wanted to keep one field here, another field this below that also you can do it. So can go to the form layout and I can create it by field. I'll below bring this impact urgency and assign to below assign to. Okay. Save it. So here created came and here created by came. So this is where you will be creating this like bringing the form layout and other things into the picture. So there is one more thing is there called configure a related list. So if you'll see, this is called a related list. The related list will be, you can add some, let's say incident, you can add some of the additional, if somebody wanted to see the knowledge base, you wanted to, these are called quick links or related links. This also you can able to edit it. So if you'll see here, configure a related list. So if you'll see there are task listed over there, I can bring the some other thing. Let me see if I can bring, if any related problem will be there with that incident or knowledge base will be there. Yeah, incident, parent incident is there. KB submission parent. Yeah, I can bring the knowledge base. I can bring knowledge base parent. So let me bring these two things. So if you'll see here, KB submission, it came. So these are called related link fields. So from here, we can quickly access the other things for this ticket. So business wise, we'll see when it will be used and all, but just now for purpose, you see how we are configuring.
Yeah.
What configuring we'll see. Let's say I can give an example. This is one of the important. Let's say if this incident is created, then how many CI is getting impacted. So that affected CI list, so that's why I have added affected CI. So means for this particular incident, how many CIs are getting impacted. Let's say you are working in an organization, then it is going down. One of the multiple servers are going down and all, and they have created a ticket. So those CI list will come here as a lib reference for, okay, this ticket was created for these CIs impacted and affected. Let me go and fix that those CIs also. So that is one of the important things. And sometimes what will happen, some people used to create the incident from incident, some of the knowledge base article also used to refer. So for this incident, let's say created for this, and what are the knowledge base, okay, database related thing. Okay, then maybe we'll go and see if any database is attached to that or somebody has already fixed this problem earlier or not. We'll
Yes.
see that.
Similar
So
similar stuff, is it?
similar, yes, yes.
Okay.
So this num will be available knowledge base. So
Okay.
we can see that knowledge base and we can fix that problem. So that's where the related list and other thing will help you to get all those information. So I hope till now it is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So configure field we have covered, saving a form. These are the few options are there. Anyhow, it is there in the form, but as a course, I will tell you. So these are few of the options. If you open any form, there will be update. If you wanted to save, you will get save. And these fields are called UI actions. We will see how to bring these fields, remove the fields, add additional fields. So these are the buttons. These buttons are there to this form we are updating we used to get. If you wanted to resolve, you have resolve button, update button. If you will update, it will return to page. If you wanted to have, you can do save. So that same page it will be there. So like that, few options are there. And from this ticket, if you wanted to compose an email, from here a email tag is there. So from this ticket, if you want to add a tag, you can compose a mail from here so that you can send to the recipient. Okay. So
Yeah.
these are few other options are there in this one. Tagging we have already example, like we can tag the tickets, tag that, and like here example we are giving like VIP incidents. Any customer is having high priority, we can tag it VIP incident.
Okay.
So now we'll cover into ServiceNow search. So search, there are many places we can search. As when we'll go in later part, we'll see search, global search, list filter search, keyword search, exactly sysid search. So these are the search we can do. Like sysid search, you can have it. You can just put into the here. If you know the sysid, you put it here, enter it. You will able to see the record. That is one type of search. In the global search, this is called global search. This is where
Yeah.
the global search will be there. And you will have list related searches here. You can search from here. And here one search is there, from here also there. And one more very important thing is, like, there is very quick help thing. Suppose you don't know which field you wanted to search, then from here you can select for any text. This is something, it will search in any field, entire table it will search. If you don't know which field you wanted to search, where it will search, you forget that, okay, I have created a record but I don't know where it is and what are the things is there. So that's where you can use for text search. And these search are all search here are these are all applicable for this all the entire column, whatever the things. Suppose if you are applying here, it will apply here. If you are applying here, this entire column will be there. So this is a table. Like if you see, this is the table name, this is the column, this is one row. In Excel sheet, like pretty much similar to this. And these are the keywords are there, which I told you. Maybe a couple of things I can show you, but later you can practice all those things. So let's say I wanted to see the critical incident. I'll go filter. I'll say priority is critical. So equal to symbol. If I wanted to search is not, critical is not there, not equal to sign. If I don't want to know what is there, I can search description, generally description field and all, we use contents. I don't know the field name, right?
Yeah.
I'll use always contents. Let's say I wanted to see the tickets, how many tickets are there related to Wi-Fi issue. I'll search Wi-Fi. See, either you can choose it from here, or if you remember the keywords, you can able to do that also. See contents.
Yeah.
Either I can do like that, or I can just here come back and search star contents. Oh, sorry, content
Wi-Fi.
site. Yeah, star Wi-Fi.
So is that case sensitive if someone writes it Wi-Fi like capital W and
It
small
is
W?
not case sensitive. It is not case sensitive.
Okay.
I can show you. See
Yeah.
W. I typed it capital. It is not impacting.
Yeah.
It is not case sensitive. It is all considered as a lower letter. And same thing, other, you can try it out. Other functions are there, greater than, less than, or difference. So this is okay while you are doing, but majorly when it will required is while you are pulling a report for your team or your manager or anything in a real time. This is are very important, like very useful when you pull the last 3 months created by last 3 months ticket. I wanted to see it last 3 months ticket,
Yeah.
and last 3 months priority one P1 tickets. I'll
Okay.
say priority one ticket, priority one,
Yeah.
or maybe you wanted to see priority 1, 2, 3. You can say is one of. You can see two
Oh,
selection. You can say, and you can add, if you know the name of the team member or team assignment group, you can additionally add, but I can just show you in this too.
I
See,
didn't know that ease one off is an option.
yeah, is one of his option is there. Is one
Okay.
of is there.
Yeah. I
Is
thought.
one of, yeah,
Yeah.
anything is anything between. These are few of the between and all you can use for the date character. Is empty, not empty, less than, greater than. All those things are there.
Can I put greater than, or probably less than or equal to three? That would give me all the three: critical, high, and moderate. If I put.
Yeah, you can do like that, but that is not a right option. See, anything text, right? There is a normal programming rule is there.
Yeah.
So anything text related things, you or these are drop downs. If you'll see,
Yeah.
these are the drop downs. So
Yeah.
that is where you can use exact match instead of giving the greater than, less than. That is where. If
Yeah.
anything you are using number related numbers like mathematical calculation, there you use greater than, less than, all those things. And there are some of the date also is there, like between and all you use when is like date use using, like
Okay.
let's say. So that will be, it can able to do it, but I'm saying it will be more appropriate if we'll
Yeah. Yeah.
create it
That makes sense.
in the date.
Yeah.
So date between, if you wanted to see last 3 days, or let's say from first of November to today. If today, how many ticket in between these two created, I can run that. That is where it will give me better answer.
Yeah.
But anyhow, see, it's just wanted to do experiment. You can do the experiment with a different combination, permutation, and all. So, and one is not empty. Empty also used always lot of places.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to see how many places assigned to is empty or not assigned to field, assigned to field, still people has not taken the ownership is empty. So that's where you can run. Yeah, if you'll see, these are the tickets. Nobody has taken ownership yet.
Okay. Okay.
So these are few of the real-time things you can say filter out like that. So now next thing we'll move into like yeah, these are one of the real-time things, like if you, I have already informed, like updating the 10 incident at a once, editing the form, adding some of the new filters, forms at a time. These are the few real-time example it used to happen.
Yeah.
And configuring for all configuring things. So I think this is what form and filter. If you want, I can proceed with the user administration today, or maybe we can start from the next class.
Now it's up to you. I think I'll definitely go through all these user interface today, and also the list and forms, so that I'll be familiar with everything.
Okay, then fine. We will stop today.